I don't know if y'all can tell, but I'm sick as shit. I've been literally like sick for a week. I don't know what it is. And it's not even the fun type of sick, like the sneezy type sick. It's just like coughing, congestion, like all the not, all the not fun parts about being sick. But I'm hella congested, so it was messy. Okay, so the fuck. I'm actually going to use chinkney for its intended purpose, which is getting congestion out, because I need some relief. I can't just keep flying through tissues like it's not. I can't lie, it feels good to like actually get some relief, like being able to breathe again and shit. It's just so fucking messy. Oh my god. I don't know if you can hear like how messy this shit is, but like, holy shit. Actually so relieving. It feels nice to like be able to breathe. But yeah, making this while my PlayStation fuck. Can even talk. Making this on my PlayStation account's still banned, which free me, you know? Some bullshit. I literally didn't even say anything either. Like I just beat the shit out of somebody on Madden. I guess they got mad, just reported me for having a funny ass name. Like, I don't know why I stifle that. It's not gonna help anything at all. I guess it's just like a reflex at this point. Alright, like I feel a little less congested than before. So that's good. Like this cough isn't going away. Like I feel it like in my throat. Like it just feels like someone's stabbing my fucking throat. So hopefully I'm better soon, because I can't spend another weekend just sitting under my blankets, DoorDash and soup. Because if it was the fun type of sick, like I'd just be making videos every day. I'd be chilling, having fun. But it's just not the case. So I think it's my first time. Holy shit, bro. It's my first time using chinkney for what it's meant to be used for. It actually works pretty good. Definitely giving it 5 stars on Amazon after this. Alright, now I'm like a little concerned because it's not like slowing down. Am I just gonna be doing this all night? Like, what the fuck, bro? I'm definitely gonna wake somebody up doing this shit too. Holy shit. Maybe this wasn't such a good idea. Fuck, bro. Alright, I'm starting to think this was a bad idea. I just wanted to get some relief. I'm just gonna be fucking up all night sneezing. Fuck, bro. It's gonna be a good video, though. This might be like my most sneezes per sneezes per second. Like, holy shit. I definitely need a shower after this. Like a steamy shower. Just dunk my face. And hot water, bro. This is not it. I thought this would help. I'm losing count of these, yo. I hope the person that like puts like timestamps under each sneeze like gets this for me, because like I'm curious. I'm curious. 'Cause I can't even get a sentence out without shouting to go again. Like, this is crazy. Maybe it's because the pollen count's higher too. I don't know, but at least it makes for a good video. I hope my suffering is entertaining. Fuck, you wanna whack. Alright, at least it's slowing down. Nope. Spoke too soon. I actually don't know how long this is gonna go on for. Like, I thought this was gonna be like a 2-minute video. I guess I can never make short videos. God, I almost sneezed my contact lens up, bro. That shit almost went flying. Can't be doing that. Them shits are expensive. Yo, I went to the eye doctor last week. Tell me why my shit costs $400 to be able to see. I'm gonna start looking up like ancient techniques, because like, what the fuck did people do when they didn't have eye doctors? I need to find like some herbal remedy or something. So if anyone knows how to improve your eyesight without dropping half a rack at the eye doctor, let me know, because I feel like eye doctors just make your eyes worse. Like, if they make your eyes better, they'd go out of business. Like, so they have to keep making your eyes worse, so you keep coming back. It's like a toxic relationship, bro. I think that's it. It's like teasing. Fuck, bro. It's like teasing me. Now I gotta go wash this shit out of my face. I'm gonna try and get one more. And then I'm dunking my head in the water. Alright, that's it. I'm out.